Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by joining the correct server and equipping the minimal upgrades that matter: speed and pick. Once in, sprint to the nearest spawn point and mark NPCs or timed events on your map so you avoid backtracking. You should enable any passive boosts right away and drop non-essential items to stay fast. Make sure to set a short waypoint to the gold area. This saves you wasted seconds and keeps the momentum for the first actionable run. You now focus on an efficient loop. Hit the highest yield gold nodes, then swing through quick respawn spots so you're always gathering. Once done hitting a node, chain mobility and attack abilities to avoid stopping. This keeps your uptime high and reduces wasted stamina. If you can team up, assign roles: one distracts, one farms, one deposits, so you minimize inventory swaps. Make sure to time ability cooldowns so you never arrive at a node without a ready tool. You complete the run by depositing collected gold right away. Carrying big stacks risks loss from deaths or raids. Once done depositing, use any safe zone fast travel to reset position and prepare the next loop. If you encounter persistent blockage, campers, server lag, or dead spawns, swap to a low population server or reset your route to a quieter node set. Make sure to check ping and server population before relogging so you don't repeat the same obstruction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.